Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am an eBay reseller and I love to do unboxings. You probably last saw me in the Valentine's collaboration that was organized by Brighton, which was really fun, by the way. I was so glad to be part of that. It still is ongoing, and that's why I'm making my video 1 hour late tonight, because I did not want to interfere with that time frame of that video. So of the two people who are doing their Valentine's unboxing. So anyway, but I did not have a video Wednesday. I will have one today and I will have one this coming Wednesday. I just got back from vacation. Literally, I just got back. And I haven't done a designer box in a really long time. So I'm going to do a designer box unboxing of a designer box right now. And then Wednesday, I am going to do a haul video, and everything in the haul video, almost everything, will be for sale. And there are some amazing pieces. So be sure to tune in on Wednesday at 7 p.m. because I will have some really cool stuff. So, all right, but for tonight, designer box. Let's do the designer box. Well, by the way, it's a smaller box. You can kind of see. Yeah, it's from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. But while I'm opening this, I want to say thank you to all of the people. I have a lot of new subscribers, so huge thank you to you new subscribers. Thank you so much. I hope that you enjoy my content. I really love doing this, and it's fun to have you. So thank you for stopping by. Okay. As you might know, rescue boxes, throw-up rescue boxes are boxes of things that they could not sell on their site for some reason. And so the designer boxes are obviously designer pieces that, so it could be, you know, many different brand names, but it's going to be like Gucci. You're lucky if you get a Gucci. But it also could be Alice and Olivia, Tory Burch. You just never know. So you get 7 pieces for $140 plus shipping plus tax. So for me, it comes to $150 because I don't pay tax on clothing. All right, here is a first look, which is not anything until we take the paper off. But we're gonna, oh, okay. All right, we're gonna go like this, and you can see we must have a pair of sunglasses. Oh my heavens. I like getting sunglasses. In fact, I just sold a pair of sunglasses from one of these boxes. This is exciting. Okay, what do you think? Ooh, let it be Chanel. I have gotten Chanel shoes and clothing, but I've never gotten Chanel sunglasses. What do you think? What will it be? Okay, let's see. This is, I think Gucci. All right. So these are Gucci. There is some light scratching on this side. I'm going to kind of show you up close in case anyone's interested in buying them. You should, you know, be able to look at them and see first. So you can kind of see there is some light scratching, but not, I mean, it's not, I'm going to put these on and see. Oh, these are nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. I like these a lot. Yeah, they're nice. And I'm going to see if there's a number on there. I've got my handy dandy magnifying glass here. Gucci. I don't see a number. I can't tell like the product number of these, but anyway, you can kind of see, get an idea of what they're for. So if you're interested in buying any of these items, by the way, how that works is send me an email to mystepstyle@gmail.com and let me know which item you're interested in. And by the way, I will have pricing on the screen for all the things that I'm able to sell. Sometimes I don't sell things right away. I wait until I try and clean them up or fix them in some way. These, there's nothing, I mean, I'll just clean them up, but they do have a couple scratches right on this side. So, but overall, I had them on and they looked okay to me. So okay, wow. I'm happy anytime I get Gucci in one of these boxes. Are you kidding me? That is really cool. Oh, this is going to be a good one. I just have a feeling. Okay, next up is, what is this? What do you think that is? It's just, isn't that like Harry Potter colors? Okay, it looks like a scarf. I don't, oh, there's a couple little pinholes in it. There's a hole right there. It's not too bad at all, though. Not too bad. This is Burberry. Burberry, and it's you know, probably 60 inches, something like that. About 60 inches. And it's Burberry, and there's a couple holes here. So there are a couple holes in it. You can see this one right here. Can you see that? I mean, they're small. So here is the label. It is obviously wool. It's really pretty. This, you know, it would not bother me to wear this scarf with the holes that are in it because they seem pretty minor. There's no giant gaping hole. If you were wearing it like, you know, if you were wearing it regular, I don't think anybody would notice. So it's a really nice scarf. So we got a scarf and a pair of glasses. Very happy with that. And the next thing is, oh my gosh. Okay, I like this box. I don't care what the things are after this piece. I'm pretty gosh darn happy. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here we go. It's Versace. Versace. And this, oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is unbelievable. Okay. I'm sitting here telling you how wonderful it is and you can't even see it. Wow. Okay. It's really, really heavy. Here are the handles. It looks like that's what's wrong with it. So here are, you know, that's the front of it, and it looks like you have these, what do you call them? Not grommets, but they hold it in place. But it's missing on this side. I'm going to have to look through and see if it's, you know, it's missing, but is it in here somewhere maybe? Meh. I don't think it is. This purse is in such beautiful condition. So if you could find something to hold this in place, which my husband probably can, this bag is it's an incredible bag. It's so gorgeous. So I'm gonna see what he says about that. I'm sure that we can try and fix this, but if you want to buy it as is, I will have a price up on the screen for you. This bag is beautiful. I'm going to show you the inside. First, I'm going to show you the logo here. And the inside is kind of like an eggplant nylon color. You can kind of see the inside of the bag there. So the inside's the whole thing is in good condition. Like you can even look at the bottom of it. You can just tell it's in good condition. Very light markings. So the reason for it being in here is these fasteners are missing. So I'm going to see, well, actually, we could probably print something up on our 3D printer to fix this. So this is so gorgeous. I actually am tempted to keep this myself. It's so beautiful. So let's just see what happens. But anyway, this is beautiful. So we've got a scarf, sunglasses, and that beautiful bag. It's so gorgeous. Oh my heavens. Okay. Next is, what is this? Ooh. Okay. Okay, well, okay, Trina Turk. I don't really consider it luxury, but I mean, it's a Trina Turk, is it a dress? Yeah, dress. It's a pretty tiny little plaid. It's got some cute ruffly sleeves. It's a size 6. So it's a size 6 Trina Turk dress. Yeah, it's okay. It looks like it's a shift dress. It's a nice dress for the most part. I think, let's see, there's probably must be a stain on it or something, but I don't see one. So maybe it just didn't sell. I don't know, but so I mean that's okay. I'm gonna hang it up and have a good look at it when I'm not on camera, because as everyone knows, when I'm on camera, I don't see things like I do when I'm, you know, when it's turned off. So okay, what is this? Millie of New York, and it is brand new with tags. It looks like from Neiman Marcus with a $325 price tag on it. It's really pretty. Look at that. Wait till you see this shirt. It's like a seafoam green kind of with these I don't know, you know what you call them, kind of like beads, shiny. I don't see anything. And it's brand new. It's never been worn, so I don't really know what the problem with it is. There must be, there's a spot on it in the front. That's probably what's wrong with it. So someone must have, before they even wore it, gotten that spot on there. But it's a size 10. And if you want to buy this as is, you can. Otherwise, I will be trying to get that spot off of there. So, yeah. It's okay. Millie, also, I don't really consider designer. It's more luxe, but, you know, that's just me. All right, and last but not least, we have another dress. Oh no, we've got two things here. First thing is this absolutely adorable Sandro kind of a sheer sweater that you would probably put over like a, I don't know, put over many different kinds of shirts, I guess. Many options there, but it's a size 2. And it's really cute. And I would imagine there must be a snag. I don't see one though. So it's a size 2. Let me show you the tag. And yeah. So that is, yeah, I mean, Sandro does not sell well for me. So it's kind of a bummer, but I got some really good items in this box. So I'm not going to sit here and be bummed out about it. That's for sure. All right, now let's see. St. John's Sport. This is beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is a, what in the world? I thought it was a, is it a shirt? It must be a one sleeve. I'll have to put it on the mannequin. Oh no. Okay, it is a shirt and it's got like a cowl neck. So the sleeves come out right here. Yeah, so it's St. John's Sport. What size? It's a size small. You can kind of see that. It's nice stretchy material. It's kind of like a light sweatery material. And it's black and white. And so I'll put a picture of that on screen as well. Okay, so we've got the Sandro. We just did the Sandro. We've got the St. John size small, sleeveless collar neck sweater. We've got the Millie shirt with a couple stains on the front, which I'll try and get out. We have got the Trina Turk dress, size 6. By the way, it's a gorgeous. You know, Trina Turk does have some really cute items. Okay, size 6. We got the Versace purse, which is gorgeous. I am not opposed to contacting them, seeing if I can buy some additional hardware from them. Who knows? Who knows? So there's that. And then there is the scarf, the Burberry scarf. And then, of course, we have the Gucci sunglasses. So, okay, you know what? It's not the best one I've ever gotten, but for sure, I got some really cool items in there. If we can fix that Versace purse, it's going to be a really good deal. But I guess we just have to wait and see. But again, if you're interested in buying any of these items, just email me, mystuffstyle@gmail.com. I invoice via PayPal, but you don't have to have PayPal to pay. You can have just your debit or credit card. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you out there at the Valentine's Day collab.